Hello everybody, all creators here with FNAF Edits, when we take your vote and turn it to a random FNAF creature. If you don't know what FNAF Edits is, check out my previous video. And basically it's a speed edit series, and the special part of it is that I edit whatever you voted on my Discord server. And for more information you can just check out my previous video. For the first video, the highest vote result is for Funtime, Golden and Fredbear, and that's make Funtime, Golden, Fredbear. As I said, I change or skip the nonsense part, and the nonsense part of Golden, Funtime, Fredbear is that the Fredbear is kinda golden himself. So I just made Funtime Fredbear, and I give credits to these images that I used, so credit to whoever made them. And let's get into it.
Small crowd didn't want the part, but nobody would hear me out. I hold the weight on both my shoulders. My soul gets colder while we get older. I have to watch as all my friends break down, while I have to plan our revenge. Tell me what it's about. I'm the one who has to get my hands dirty, take it upon myself and make sure no one hurts me. I'm no different, but the others, they chose me.
I know, I really messed up, kinda. I'm not that professional editor, but I think the design is okay. But it's very cartoonish and not realistic at all. Anyways, as you see, the biggest problem is one of the joints is gold and the other one is gray, and I just noticed it now. Thanks for watching, and please vote faster for the next animatronic that you think I should make. Of course, in the next FNAF edits. The Discord link is in the description, and as always, hope to see you later. Ace is out.